What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, which has been performing quite well over the last couple of weeks, and again in the last 24 hours it has gone for a little bit of a pump. As you can see, nearly 15% up and currently trading at just above 0.007 cents. So we're going to be going through, is it going to keep pumping? Is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or is now the right time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks, months and so on? And also basically essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the short term, over the next few days, weeks, months, and also over the long term, over the next couple of months. How high can Jasmy go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours. And yes, we do have Jasmy as the third top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase. So going into the actual chart here, in the last hour it has gained over 4% in value, over the last day nearly 14%, over the month 40%, as you can see, consistently gaining value at a slow and steady pace, and over the month is overall 51% up. So yeah, it's been quite a good month for Jasmy, especially over the last 2-3 weeks. As you can see, it's been gaining quite a decent amount of value, which is good to see. As you can see, overall 50% up. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 150%, making it $135 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jasmy. And especially in the last 24 hours, as it has gone up because of the pump, we are seeing a lot more people showing interest, looking into the project, meaning more and more people will start to trade the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.005 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.007 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. And again, as I mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, it means it's not realistic. It's only basing it off the last few hours, which is exactly what it's doing, because it's been consistently pumping over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value at a very high rate. However, that is not the case, even though yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm not expecting any major increases in value. What I'm expecting is minimal increases in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, we should essentially be trading at 0.0075 to 0.0076 cents in target. Nothing major. Minimal increases in value is what is expected, but again, do expect dips in between as well. So do expect red candles, green candles. Is going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again still looking very steep, very bullish, exactly like the 30-minute chart, meaning it's not realistic once again. But over the coming week or so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting once again an overall increase in value from Jasmy. And potentially we should be heading towards the 1 cent target by the end of next week is what my predictions are. Even if we're not hitting 1 cent, we should be very close to hitting that target, depending of course on how the crypto market performs, but I'm pretty sure we should be moving towards a positive direction. Especially that Bitcoin has gone above $30,000 is a very good sign, meaning we should be heading upwards in the crypto market. Don't get me wrong, of course we are going to have some days when it's likely to take a little step back, red day, a little bit of a drop back in value, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the positive side. And again, the step back doesn't only apply to Jasmy, it applies to the crypto market in general. You're not going to see it consistently hitting green candles over the next week or so. It is likely to hit red days in between and then drop back up in value and head upwards. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, even though we are looking quite steep, is looking much more realistic. As you can see, it's been going on for a while. So over the next, let's say 6 to 8 weeks, by mid to late May 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Jasmy once again. But at this point, we should be trading way over the 1 cent target, potentially heading over 2 cents in target is what I'm expecting by mid to late May 2023. So major increases in value should be coming towards Jasmy and the crypto market in general, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to be trading over about $35,000 by mid to late May 2023. But again, it could go either way. You guys know how crypto is, it could go positive or negative. However, if Bitcoin does drop below 25k, then we are going to see most cryptos also dropping quite heavily as well. But hopefully we should be seeing it move towards the positive direction over the next couple of weeks and months as well. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy. A lot of you guys have asked, when is it likely to hit the 5 cents target? So now guys, again, even though we are getting closer and closer to the 1 cent target, the 5 cent target there's quite a long way to go, and my predictions are Q4 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Jasmy to be hitting the 5 cent target. So towards the very end of the year is what my predictions are at the moment. However, if the crypto market manages to have a major pump or an increase in value in between that time, then we could potentially hit it way before. But again, that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on a regular basis, not just on Jasmy but the crypto market in general. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Jasmy to be hitting 5 cents? Comment down below, when in 2023 is it likely to hit, or is it not going to hit that target in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.